What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to fix Black Ops 6 not launching in Steam. So for that, make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into the video to get to know about it. So first thing first, managing ran grid system file. This issue seems to be affect players with multiple drives. This issue has allegedly appeared in previous COD titles as well. A Reddit user discovered that the error often stemmed from a missing RAN grid system file. You can find more details in a log file named bootstrapper.log within the game installation folder. The game might be looking for this file on a different drive that where it's installed. To resolve this issue, copy the RAN system file from the installation directory to the location specified in the log file. So what you have to do next is uninstalling third-party anti-cheat software. Another potential solution is to uninstall third-party anti-cheat software such as Faceit anti-cheat, Ricochet anti-cheat system used by the Black Ops 6 can be overly sensitive and might conflict with other softwares. Removing such programs has helped people and players to get the game running. So the third step is disabling Steam Cloud and verifying game files. Some users have found successes by going into the Steam setting, navigating to the cloud and disabling the Steam Cloud. After doing this, verify the game files through the Steam. This will identify and replace any missing or corrupted file, potentially resolving the issue. So the last step is, if the issue still persists, what you guys can do is to reach out to the support. If the above methods don't resolve the issue, it may be the time to reach out to the game support team and wait for an official patch. Sometimes these problems are fixed in subsequent updates, so keep an eye after the patches is recommended. So keep an eye on the patches is recommended. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.